Hi, hello friends, Nagarajan from Market Decoder channel. So this is going to be a Thanksgiving video on 1K subscribers. So the channel has reached 1K subscribers since we started the channel. The channel is actually started with nowhere, and we are 1K plus. Even though I haven't posted down videos on regular basis, but still people have supported and subscribed, and they have stayed with me for almost a year. So it has been like now 1000, close to 1500 subscribers, but still I wanted to thank with a special gift. So I thought like this would be the right occasion to give some stocks for the next year, and as well as thanks giving for people who supported me from the day one. First person to support me is my wife, who has stood with me for whole year. So because we started with nowhere, with no equipments to shoot the video or even the mic, we started with the headset or phone headset, and we slowly thought of like we'll give some quality to the video and the content. Then we started with cameras, tripods, lights, everything, and people who joined with me is next support is going to be the family support. Without family, definitely nobody can come up in their life. So the whole family supported me, and from the day one, and thanks to my whole family and friends. And the next comes a person who started working with me. He is the editor of this video, and he has been working with me for almost like past 6 months. If you look at the videos on the day one and the videos which was put on from maybe like 4-5 months back, the video quality has been improved a lot. So wholehearted thanks to should be said to Thiran, who has worked with me, and he has been working in movies as well, and in such a busy schedule he has accepted, and he started working with me. And next a few more people are going to be like the brokerage house. One is Allies Blue, who was given a strategic partnership with me for training their clients. And next, one more brokerage recently I have signed up with them is Allies Blue. Sorry, next the brokerage is Zeeboot Traders from Chennai. They have signed up with me for associate partnership. I will be taking continuous webinars for them in upcoming days. So stay connected, and those who have not subscribed so far, please do subscribe, so that whenever I post some few webinars, I'll be the link will be posted in my channel and in Telegram channel as well as in YouTube videos. So stay connected, and that's all. I think I have thanked almost everybody, and one more team which I have associated with is like MonitorSkills.com. They have given huge support in marketing, and they have associated with me for with their new website, which is going to be launched in next few days, and I'll be taking webinars for them as well in Tamil. So for freshers and who are interested into the trading world, they can attend those videos. I'll be posting the links for that as well. I believe I have if I have missed someone, please do bear with me. Wholehearted thanks to the whole audience who has supported so far. Thanks a lot. Let's get into the next part of the video, which is going to be a Thanksgiving, and it is going to be a gift for the upcoming year, and it is going to be a Christmas and New Year gift, so that people can invest. And wherever I am going to put my money, I have done some research on technically and fundamentally, and I am going to put some good money on those stocks in next couple of days, so that I want to share with the subscribers who have supported so far. That is why the video is getting released on Sunday, so that people can watch, and they can do their own analysis, and they can put some money, and they will be definitely getting returns at least 20 to 30%, or more than that will be the returns in next few quarters. So let's get into the screens, and we'll see how I have selected the stocks, what is the reason for selecting the stocks, and what will be the target in upcoming quarters, and what will be the stop loss, what should be the risk management we have to deploy. That will be discussed. Yeah, let's get into the screens and see what are the sectors and what are the stocks I'm going to put money for the year 2022. So let's go with the first evergreen stock, which is going to be Reliance from the oil and gas sector. So the price action is going to be very interesting. So here it has formed a cup and handle, and it is going to move up from this levels. And one more price action is going to be So in the demand zone, it has formed a hammer with a decent volume and 0.618 Fibonacci and respecting a clear ascending trend line. So there are multiple confirmations in the stock, so that I'm going to put some money on this. So fundamentally, this is a very strong stock in Indian market, and I believe no a big fundamental analysis required for this stock to be chosen. So it is purely a technical pick, and with the multiple confirmations and technical patterns. And the targets are going to be, first target will be around 2750, which is going to be the all-time high from where it started falling. So it will definitely do the all-time high, breaking this 2700 levels, after which it can do a target of 3000 plus. That is also a Fibonacci number. So when we put the Fibonacci like this, that is going to be the target, which is going to be 3050. So that is why I have marked that line. And so the first stock is going to be Reliance, and the targets are given. The stop, there is no stop loss for this because it is going to be a long-term investment. If one wants to take this as a swing trading, this is going to be the stop loss, which is around 2260 in a weekly closure, which is the trend line break area and the demand zone. If it is getting broken in a weekly, one can exit. That is my personal humble view. And we'll go to the next stock, which belongs to IT sector, and the sector where I belong, so that I have chosen two different stocks. So let's go to the first stock, which is going to be Infosys. So the Infosys stock is in a nice price action. If you look at the volume and the price action, it is going to be very clear. It has formed a clear bullish flag, and it has been in a good consolidation for 4 long months with the price range of 1650 to 1800 levels. And right now in a weekly, it has given a strong bullish candle and a closure above 1850, which is going to be the range bound for almost 4 months. And the flagpole has given a 36% moment. From here we can expect another 36% in next few quarters, which will be coming around 2467. That will be the target which I have marked. I'll be publishing all these charts in my Telegram channel. Please do you can have a look if you want to have, if you have any questions on the charts. So this is the first stock. The next stock is going to be HCL Technologies. So HCL Technologies also have been in a good shape in as per technicals, and looking at the charts. So this is going to be the price action. So in the ascending channel, we have got a bullish morning star as a confirmation, and there is a trend reversal in the bottom. If you consider this top, it has fallen. It has given a low, high, higher low, and higher high. In the weekly, the trend reversal has come at almost like 1200. If there is a small fall, like between 1200 to 2250, we can take an entry, and these are going to be the targets. The all-time high will be the first target, then comes the second target, which is going to be the channel high. After that, there can be a correction, so one can look for a good decent returns of almost like 400 points in this counter. So it is going to be around more than 23% for the stock in next couple of quarters to maximum 3 quarters from now. So that is the technical pattern, and the targets are given. So if you consider the stop loss, this is going to be the stop loss, which is going to be 1110 in a weekly closure, will be a clear stop loss in weekly. Okay, so let's move on to the next stock. Is going to be in infrastructure sector. So the first stock is going to be DLF. So it is also one of the evergreen stock in infrastructure sector, and the recent changes in the board of directors, a couple of daughters have taken the in charge from the promoters. I think Anushka Singh and Devika Singh. So both are going to be the sisters, and they will be taking care of the DLF going forward. And if you look at the technical pattern, it is in a clear rounding bottom. Almost 10 years, after 10 long years, it has touched almost it has come close to the previous high, which is going to be around 449, and it has fallen a bit. So if you look at the clear pattern, it is in a descending trend line breakout. It is in monthly. After almost like from 2008, it has given a breakout in the in this year, and it has given a retest as well. So it gave a breakout and went up and gave a clear breakout and retest entry where it has started moving up. So right now it can come down a bit towards 340 levels or 330 levels, where we can go for an entry. And if this target is getting broken, where we can expect even the all-time high can be touched in the upcoming quarters. So this is going to be one good pick, I believe. Fundamentally, there is no issues, though much issues in this company, and technically it is in a good rounding bottom pattern, where it can give a decent returns of at least like 30 to 40% from the current market price of 379. So the next stock is going to be Prestige Estates. It belongs to the infrastructure sector. And looking at the technical pattern, this is the technical pattern, and it is in a long term ascending trend line. And right now, for almost like 3 to 4 months, from August, it has been in a consolidation. The consolidation is happening in the demand zone, and it has not broken this previous high, and that is giving a good support around 400 rupees. And if this is being taken out, we can expect a good returns, which is going to be the ascending channel top, which is around 700, close to 690 to 700 will be the target for Prestige Estates. From the current market price, it is looking very attractive for the next 2 to 3 quarters. So that is all from infrastructure sector. The next one more company belongs to this sector, which is Brigade Industries. It is also from the same sector, and it is a hidden gem right now. And if you look at the price pattern, it is in good shape, which is consolidating almost same way. It is like from September, it is consolidating between this 390 to 507. So if this is getting broken with a good volume, we can expect a double target from the current market price. Maybe even 1000 rupees can be the target. Our target is going to be like 20 to 30% for the next 2 quarters if this is getting broken. So that is the price action pattern in this Brigade Enterprises. Yeah, and we'll go to the infrastructure sector, in engineering and construction sector, which is very important for an Indian economy. So the next booming sector will be definitely from the infrastructure sector, and the leader is definitely the L&T, which can give you a mammoth growth in the next few quarters. And I have already posted one video around 1500 levels. Once this 1580 is broken, a new all-time high will be seen. Maybe like 2-3 months back, I have posted a video on that, and after which it did a 1981, almost like 400 points. It gave a good target. Again, I am going to take entry on the stock because of a technical pattern, which is again a good ascending parallel channel. And if this consolidation is getting broken, we can expect one more rally, which will be around 2238 to 240, which is going to be another 300 points, which is almost like 20% or plus. That will be a good rally in next 2-3 quarters. And if you hold it for next few years, definitely it will give you more than that. But for next 2-3 quarters, I'm going to put some money in L&T for a good gains. Yeah. So in pharma sector, I have chosen one stock which has beaten like anything in the recent fall in Nifty. After a good split, 10:1 split, it came down to a 200 levels. I have given a call at 220, and we booked the profits around 660, which is around 4x returns in single stock. And again, I'm going to take an entry in the stock, which is around, I have taken few quantities at around 440 levels due to some GAN technique. And again, I'm going to add few more quantities right now in this stock. So here is the pattern. So if you look at the pattern, it is an ascending trend line. First target will be on this descending trend line. That will be maybe it can do almost like 550 to 560 if it takes another 2-3 months. If it is taken out, then definitely the first target is going to be 660, and 770 will be the next targets. and if that is taken out, it can turn as a multi-bagger, because it has come from 2000 levels to 200 levels after the split. Even it can do 2000 levels in next few years. So for this year, maybe like for next few quarters, these are going to be the targets. And one more stock which I have picked is Indian Energy Exchange, which was angel in the last few months, we can say. Lot of news, lot of volumes was created in this stock, and it got a split in the last month. It was a 3:1 split, and right now it is in a good pattern where we can go and take some entries. It is giving a very good consolidation right now in the ascending channel, parallel channel, and if this is getting broken, definitely it can give you a good returns of at least like 30% from here. From 250 it can do at least like 450, maybe 200 points is going to be more than 60% for more than 65% for this stock. This is the view for the upcoming quarters in IEX. Yeah, there I have shown somewhere around some 9 different stocks with decent patterns and good fundamental stocks. Do your own research, and then you can put some money. Definitely it will give you good returns for the year 2022. And I wish a warm new year wishes and happy Christmas on this occasion. Thanks for watching. One who have subscribed, please do enjoy and learn things from whatever I have shared so far, and the videos to come in the upcoming days. Take care. Bye bye.